east and the west, racking up on my breath. Power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest.
I haven't gotten my nails done in months, and like I give a f. But like today I thought we'd maybe like spice it up a little bit and like actually do the full on glow up. But like not really, because like, I'm not gonna be dyeing my hair. I'm not gonna be like doing the most. Like I can barely even shave once every 2 months. Like, do you really expect me to be like out right now? Like, yeah, no. Can I speak? These are my armpits. They're honestly not bad, but like y'all on the spam account be like, Maya, do you like not shave your armpits? No, I don't. Tonight I'm going out, doing the most, dressing up like Maddie from Euphoria. Let's get into it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe to be a part of the family. 2 million subscribers and I'll get it tattooed on my ass. Alright, as y'all always know, in my cleaning my room videos, I always say that I get distracted whenever I go to the bathroom and go on my phone for way too long and procrastinate. Now, have you ever wondered what I was doing? Probably playing Pocket Styler on the toilet, yes. Basically, I impulsively buy clothes in real life way too often and impulsively change my hair, do new makeup looks, and just do the most way too often in real life. And sometimes I end up regretting it. So now, instead of doing it in real life, I get to do it in a game on Pocket Styler. Pocket Styler is a player versus player app where you can basically just dress up your character, change its look, and basically you just go to in-game events and then you just kind of create a fashion look for every single event. And in the app you have a massive library of clothes, accessories, hairdos, perfumes, and makeup. So instead of having a cluttered closet with way too many clothes that you don't even wear in person, you can now just do it on the app and feel way less shitty about yourself. But in the game, you basically can just vote for other people's looks and see who did it better. And basically, you just compete with other people on the app, and y'all know I love a little bit of competition. The objective of the game is to see who can become the most stylish influencer. Y'all can download this app. It's available for free on iOS and Android.
Something to fight with a button, yeah.
Oh, it's currently 1:23. My appointment's at 2. I spent like 40 minutes in the shower. Yo, I'm always late to everything, and it's not a flaw. As you get older, do you just get later and later to everything, or am I just a shitty person? Going down. Hi. I'm here for Mai. Okay, I just got my nails done. I love them. They're so good. She got them done in literally 15 minutes. I'm headed to Sephora to get some more things, but I'm in a rush, like a very big rush. That's why I look like this right now. But I'm currently in Soho. Time is currently 3:13. I have to be back at the house by 3:40. We're gonna do it. What is that?
It's my card. I have a clothing line and everything.
Oh, that's dope.
So we should definitely do something.
All right, I got it. This man went through everybody honking at him just to be on the vlog. Oh my god, this is why I don't like shopping in Sephora. It's so busy, it like makes me anxious, and I'm not an anxious person.
Later that night.
Oh my god, I just asked a random guy if he knew where this apartment was. We just started talking and he's like, I'm gonna walk you there. And we just walked for like 10 minutes. And I figured out that he was a teacher and that he lives in New York and all this stuff. And I love talking to people. We just took some Instagram pics, so y'all can go check out the IG if you want to see them.
A few moments later.
Genuinely, I don't think I've ever been this hungry in my entire life. I'm eating a fucking banana chip right now with guacamole. And I'm out here like, this is the best shit I've ever ate. Usually I'm like positive energy, but how the can I be positive when I'm waiting for one?
The next morning.
I don't know about you, but every time I go out, I always feel the need to hibernate for 4 weeks minimum afterwards because I feel so embarrassed. Even though it's like, do I have something to be embarrassed about, or am I just being over analytical and overthinking? Because in my head, all of the night before, people were analyzing every single micro expression of mine and my body language and just judging me. But like, were they really, or am I just overthinking? Like, was I being annoying, or am I just overthinking? But that I will never know. I actually need to make myself feel better, and I know just me being like, oh, like, just get in a better mood, Ma, is not gonna work. But something that I know that actually makes my mood better is listening to music. So right now I'm about to go on a walk, blast some throwback music and get my vibrations up. It works every single time. I don't know what your thing is, but that's something that makes me happy. So we're gonna do that. They're just gifted from Arc Swimmer. I've been getting stuff from their brand for like 3 years now. I just really like them because they ship really fast. I think it's like 2-day shipping for free. They're really good quality. They come in like little pouches like this. Okay, we're feeling a square crop with a regular bottom. All right, let's put this on. And my titty is like coming out. There's like 4 titties going on right now. I don't like shaving. It always makes me feel so itchy. This is so gorgeous. I'm an idiot. A worker came and turned around for me. I didn't even realize that like it had jets. I just got back from the pool and like the spa, but there's all these cardboard boxes that I need to get out of the way first. We have all these boxes. This is all my clean laundry. You see how messed up this room is? My kitchen, mess of a bathroom. Let's quickly do a time lapse of this. Do my makeup though. I got this package from REM Beauty. They sent me it, which is insane. If you don't know, I got invited to Ariana Grande's like launch, and like it was exclusive, but I don't know why she picked me out of like everyone. Anyways, I guess I'm on Ariana Grande's PR list. There's all these pretty, oh my gosh, she's so cute, bro. All right, hello. I don't want to do any contour though. I want my face to look very clean and bare, if that makes sense. But I don't know how I'm gonna do that because I have so much acne right now. But we're gonna attempt, okay? Okay, I'm gonna use the Revlon Color Skin Awaken 501 concealer. I think I've talked about this before, but I'm gonna put this on my acne first, okay? We're gonna do this. Shit, I forgot primer. And then I'm just gonna go with a brush and kind of tap the concealer in and then blend it out. But I'm not gonna touch the actual pimple really. I'm just gonna kind of blend out everything around the pimple and really concentrate the pimple. I'm gonna take a black beauty blender, my favorite beauty blender, but I'm just gonna use this to tap in my makeup just to make sure that there's like no creases or anything, and just so that it like kind of melts into my skin a little bit more. Huda Beauty Pound Cake Powder, and I'm gonna put this on a puff. What was the reason? What was the reason? I'm just gonna set my under eyes. Ow, fuck, I just literally jabbed this into my eye. Cool, and I'm just gonna use the rest to just pat this on my face. To make sure that my skin stays covered, I'm going with extra powder on a brush and really just focusing on where my acne is. All right, this is the makeup look right now. I usually do lashes. Okay, let me get, did I just flash? No. Let me get changed real quick and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm trying to figure it out right now. I don't know what heel I should wear. We have this, which is kind of a low heel, but it's cute. Or we have the nude one.
I think black.
You think the black one?
Yeah, and there's gold in here.
Okay, we'll do the black heel.
Guys, this is my first time being in my, oh my god, I just showed half my butt. This is my first time being in my apartment. Hi.
Oh my god, I feel so much better with the lash on. Like, so much better.
Which ones are they?
They're the Kiss Pompadours.
Nate Jacobs is about to take his pants off.
Oh my god, I just had a little moment. I literally hopped out of the car and then a couple fans were like, hi, Mai. We got pictures. Like, what the f? That was so crazy. I felt like I was like in an episode of like TMZ or something. It was mad crazy. Anyways, we're walking right now. I'm so excited. I'm so glad I put lashes on. Low-key, I was really insecure for 2 seconds right there. Like, very. I feel so bare without lashes. Oh my gosh, that literally just pulled off. Currently we're at Cathedral and we're eating bread, but like, look at it.
Something about whipped butter.
Walking home right now, hungry, so I just ate bread. Okay, I'm so sorry. This vlog has been all over the place, but I have a show that I was supposed to go to maybe 30 minutes ago, but I just didn't go. I was gonna get ready and then I realized I really don't want to go. I've been in a mood lately where I feel like doing nothing, so
I got ready 2 days in a row. Like, is that not enough? Like, that's a record.
getting ready and leaving my house exhausts me to levels that I don't even know exist. Y'all ever like get so excited to do something and then once the thing comes up, you're like, no? I feel like I haven't talked to you guys like specifically really in this vlog, so let me talk to you because this is my first time doing like a weekly vlog in so long, and I want to mention this because I know whenever I see people hanging out like, online and like doing fun things, it makes me go like, oh my god, why am I not doing that? Or like it makes me kind of have FOMO. So this week was jam-packed, full of me hanging out with people. I personally get like energy renewal from being alone, and I used to never be like this. I feel like there was a switch in me last year that went from being super extroverted to steadily turned into an introvert. I like was trying to explain for 30 minutes, but I cut it all out. I'm gonna quickly explain here. So basically, if you see people online like having fun and stuff like that, I see that all the time and I'm like, oh my god, shouldn't I be doing that? And I beat myself up for it. But then I make plans with people because I'm like, oh, let me do this. And then when the time comes, I'm always like, oh, never mind, I don't want to do it. And then I force myself to do it anyways, but then like I'm not present in the moment because I'm just overanalyzing everything and like judging myself for every action that I do. And it's just like an endless cycle. So 2 points. One of them is that if you see people hanging out with people online and you beat yourself up for it, don't. I mean, I'm saying this to myself because I do it all the time, but it's okay that if you feel like you need to like renew your energy and be with yourself, if that makes sense. But also at the same time, you can't keep doing that for a long time, because if that's your issue, which is my issue, that probably just means that you're either 1, depressed, or 2, burnt out. And I thought it was just like me just being introverted, but then I did a lot of research on it because I was actually concerned, and it said that I was either probably depressed or burnt out. And I think that I'm not depressed, but I think I am getting a little bit burnt out, like overworking myself to the point where I don't even have energy for other people, which is so sad because the whole point of life, in my opinion, is to hang out with other people and make connections with other people. And I've been taking this week to slow down and just take time to myself and not force myself to do YouTube so hard. So yeah, just wanted to say that. I don't even know what this was. Anyways, that's for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you're here for this talk, then you're here for this talk. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you feel about all this stuff because I actually would love to listen and read your comment. But make sure to subscribe because I know 40% of you watching this video right now aren't subscribed. How I know? Because YouTube tells me. Yes, and I can click on your profile if you comment and see if you're subscribed or not. So if you comment down below and you're subscribed, I will like your comment. That was very aggressive. Anyways, I will see you another day, probably maybe tomorrow for another movie vlog, but peace.
Just take a quick second when you play that. Listen to the words I'm saying when you play back. 150 nerves in the hills, driving Maybach. Take back what you hate back. Remember what I mentioned about the cool feet? Not the only fake, just the one you happen to see.